And it was a very active evening last night. Several tornado warnings and severe thunderstorms across the region led to a big cool down today. The good news is if you didn't get any sleep last night, you'll get a chance to get some rest tonight. We've got quieter conditions across the area. It's just much colder. This is a quick look at your camera in Benton. Again, not a whole lot of activity as we shift overnight tonight. Some of us even seeing a really nice sunset this evening. If you're brave enough to step out and check out that sunset, you probably want to have a coat because we're talking about a huge cool down. So we kicked off December with temperatures in the 70s, and right now we are sitting, 20 degrees, more than 20 degrees cooler actually, across a good portion of the region. So very, very cold if you're stepping out this evening. Temperatures right now back into the 30s across southern Illinois. Folks, a little bit warmer off into some of those southern counties, still holding on to the low 40s. Cape Girardeau at 41 degrees along with Paducah, Marion at 39, Mount Vernon and Carmi both coming in at 38 degrees. Threat tracker bar. Good news, it's going to be nice and low as we shift overnight tonight. But yet, if you have to get out late tonight or into early tomorrow morning, you're going to want to bundle up. It is going to be quite chilly. Tuesday, another quiet day, but as we start to get into the evening hours, it's hard to believe we had severe weather last night, and tomorrow we're going to see our first chance of some very light snow flurries across the region. We're not talking about a big snow event, but some of us could see a few flakes. As we get into Wednesday, the sunshine going to be coming back in full blast. Wide look at the satellite and radar. Again, the cold front that brought us the storms pushing well off to the east, starting to see a little bit more cloud cover sink into the area. High pressure going to keep that cold air around, especially as we get into Tuesday morning. And the clouds going to be hanging around throughout the day tomorrow. So more cloud cover, mostly cloudy skies going to be sticking with us throughout the entire day tomorrow. So maybe a little bit more on the gloomy side. And then as we start to get into the late afternoon and evening, there is a very small chance that some of those northern counties maybe see a few snowflakes. As far as impacts, not going to be seeing any major impacts, but it's our first chance to see at least a little bit of snow, and it's crazy to think about, especially after how warm it's been. Storm Track 3 app going to be great to have on your smartphone. Temperature-wise, tomorrow morning, we're going to be waking up to temperatures in the 20s. Highs tomorrow only going to be climbing up into the upper 30s, so 37 degrees for that high. And then kiddos going to the bus stop, or if you're heading to work in the morning, the wind chill values for some of us, especially across parts of southern Illinois, going to be feeling like the teens. So bundle up and make sure you've got a way to stay warm. It looks like we could have a little bit of an active week ahead of us. So again, tomorrow, a small chance for some of us to see some of those light snow showers as we get into the evening. Not expecting major impacts. By Wednesday, the sunshine comes back. We're already climbing back up into the upper 40s. And talk about a roller coaster ride when it comes to temperatures. We're talking about Thursday, back up into the 50s. By Friday, sneaking back up on that 70-degree mark. And then you see that little bit of a cool down. That's going to come with our next chance for some thunderstorms.
Wow. Okay. Not to take you on that forecast.
It's a wild ride.
Well, all right. Well, sounds good.
There's a lot of changes on that map coming up over the next week.
Yeah. Probably just a forecast you want to keep up to date with day by day.
All right. We'll do that. Thank you, JC.